Okay, we got a guy here, extreme emergency to get cooling. So come over to his house. I call him, can't get an answer. Finally he answers, he's at Lowe's. And he said, go ahead and start looking at it. I'm on my way home, doors open, etc. So I walk around to look at the outside unit. And here's what I see. This is exactly my point of saying anti-DIY HVAC. So he's got that screw out and that screw out. Left that one in. Who knows what the real problem is here. Looks like somebody put a new contactor on it. I didn't think I recognized that as being what comes in these Linux units, and there's the box on the ground. So who knows what's going on, but you know, look how bent up it is. Just to prod it open with a screwdriver or something to get it apart. Oh man, the things people do. And I have no idea why. Reluctant to do anything here, but if he'll hurry up and come home, I guess I'll try to fix it for him. Look how bent up that door is. Good Lord. I just don't know what anybody thinks they're gonna do if they have to fight that hard to get into the panel and they can't see that screw. I don't know what they think they're gonna do when they get in there. Beats all I ever seen. Sounds like the compressor and the fan motor both do run. So, I guess while I'm waiting on him, I'll take this door off and straighten it up. Do a little body work here. Hope I don't break this plastic pad. Look at that. Need a dolly. Jeez, man. Straighten it out a little bit. All right. I'm sure you can imagine the homeowner came home and wanted to help me. Of course, he said he just wanted to understand what I was doing and try to learn something, but Boy, I wish old Steve Lav would have been with me, because he would have told him, guy, you need to learn to keep your hands in your pockets and don't touch the air conditioner. Actually, Steve would have probably told him, if you touch it again, I'm not going to fix it. I wish I'd have had the guts to say that kind of stuff, but I just went ahead and bit my tongue and straightened out all his messes. And so what we ended up finding was the defrost board is bad, and somebody's already replaced it. He said he couldn't tell me who, somebody of somebody that used to work for somebody or whatever, so I don't know. Anyway, sounds to me like he tried to do it himself, but there again, I couldn't tell you. I just know it does look newer than the machine, and it is not allowing the yellow circuit to go through. So therefore, the system was not bringing on the outside unit. So I bypassed the defrost board, and it is going to be fine until winter when they need heat. So the only thing wasn't going through was the yellow circuit. The orange wire was energizing the reversing valve, and everything else was fine. So anyway, I gave them a price to order a board and fix it correctly, which they say they want that done, but who knows. So I went ahead and collected for today. Normally we would have just waited and come back and brought them a board and fixed it and straightened it out, but who knows if they'll call back or answer or what they'll do. They got air, so we'll see when we see. But I thought that beat a little bit of everything I've ever seen right there. I thought that beat everything right there, seeing that door bent up and pried off with a screwdriver. That was something else. We got two more. Let's keep going. Thanks for watching.